Holdcroft Oldham Mazda is situated in the heart of Oldham. With a team of Mazda experts on hand, we will help to guide you to the vehicle most suited to you. With a 4.7 Google star review rating, Oldham Mazda is a highly regarded dealership and reflects the family values that Holdcroft abides by. Whether you are looking for a new or used vehicle, we'll have a full range of vehicles on hand for you to browse. All vehicles are competitively priced with zero admin charges, as well as various flexible finance packages for you to choose the best one suited to you. We can offer nationwide delivery for your vehicle, which will come with a minimum of 12 months Mazda UK warranty and prepared to high standards by Mazda UK trained technicians. We have access to over 1,000 pre-owned vehicles and a constantly stocked forecourt free for you to browse. To find out more about us, our stock or contact details, then head to the Holdcroft website, head over to Mazda, then centre locations.